Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. I just washed this beautiful MiniCooper and that reminded me that there is that smooch of the paint or something on that rear bumper from another car. Let me show you what I mean. It looks to me like another car basically side-swept this whole area. Right? It's a corner, so it's easy to imagine that somebody was parking or getting out and left this ugly mark on the paint of this MiniCooper. I have a bunch of stuff here which is for detailing and cleaning the paint, so hopefully I can select something from these products which will help me to get rid of this and make that Mini beautiful again. And we will see together what really happened here. I can feel there's something right on the other than that smooth paint. So hopefully this is the extra material, and one of these products which I have here. This is a medium cut. This one is a machine glaze, so that will be probably not good. What is this one? Swirl remover. So hopefully I can use one of those and remove this area and make it nice and beautiful. If I look on these charts which are here, it seems to be this one is towards way more towards to the heavy cut. So I will go with this one. As I said, the car was just washed, so it's perfectly clean. I don't need to wash it again and clean it right and dry it. I can really go ahead with this product. This product was developed for rotary buffer only, but I will first start and see how it works on this applicator. So here I pour a bunch of that material on the applicator and let's see what will happen. I didn't expect it to put so much, so I'm making a huge mess, right? I'm not pushing hard on it because I don't know what it will do. I don't want to damage that paint, so I'm being careful in the beginning, right? And now I will go grab the microfiber towel and see what happened in just few seconds. Here is new towel. Let's see. I was rubbing it gently, right, for seconds. Oh, what you are saying? I don't see anything at all. It seems to be all gone. Let me zoom on it for you. What do you see? I will say it's completely gone. Isn't that amazing, guys? This with the applicator. And I'm telling you, I was not working off the camera or anything. I just used it very carefully without any really pressure for like, I don't know, 10 seconds. As you can see, I didn't need so much of this, but it just came out unexpectedly, right? That's why I had so much on that applicator. But this is fantastic. Now I will not stop here, right? I have more products. I could continue with this one, which is up to 3 on the chart, but why not to skip that and use this one, which is the machine glaze. This one actually should be again used by the rotary, but maybe it can be put on another clean applicator. I have one here, right? This one is new, this side is new. They say this one definitely shake well. It could be sitting on the bottom. So definitely it's important to shake it a lot. I shook it for a half minute. Hopefully I will get better this time, not pour so much on it, right? Let's be careful. it seems to be dried. So I will remove the top and do just this. Alright, I don't know how much I need of it, not much. And let's apply it to this whole bumper. Again, I will be rubbing it, right, using it as a kind of polishing pad with a medium pressure. This one is not so abrasive, right? So I can push a little bit harder on it, but never hard. It's about the movement, not the pressure. And let's see what we can do for this wonderful Mini. What will be the result? I will go ahead with a clean, different microfiber cloth and wipe that whole area, turning it around, remove all that abrasive material, right? And we will be able together to see results. I think you will love it. I believe the camera is still in the same spot, exactly same spot. So we are comparable. What do you say? Isn't this wonderful? It's completely gone, right? The corner is nice and shiny, the paint is beautiful, and we didn't even have to use any power tools and so on. That was very easy. Let me show you different angles, right? I think this is wonderful for so little of the time. How this whole part became shiny and beautiful. I love it. And I have another product which I bought in the past, which is actually for that plastic. You can see it's faded from the sun, right? And the UV. And I have here, I bought it a long time ago, the same company, right? It's a natural shine. This is for plastic. So I will try to apply that, but that will be part of different video. Thanks for watching, my friend, and have a wonderful day.